Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings because I'd like to begin with the customization of this mode. And after that, I'll show you much faster access to this feature so you won't have to go through the whole settings to get to it. So let's open the settings as I said. Now we have to scroll down to find the display. And here, let's scroll down to find the color section. Here we've got the night light, so as you can see, this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. And basically we can start with turning it on without the customization. So just tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, a little bit dull. I mean, the colors are dull or even kind of amber maybe color. It is because thanks to this, your device will simply filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So, if you're a night owl, if you really like to use the device at night when the light around you is not really bright, is not really good, then I highly recommend to simply use this mode because thanks to this, your eyes will not get tired that much. So of course you can leave it like this, but we can customize it. So let's tap on the night light, and as you can see here we've got two different options. So let's start with the intensity. This switcher will allow us to change the intensity of that feature, obviously. By going to the left we can make it cooler. It's kind of visible but not really much, and by going to the right, warmer, and right now it is really yellowish. I mean, it is visible. Of course, set it just like you want to. Here we've got the schedule option, so we can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely pick the start and the end time. So let's tap on it, and from the clock just pick the particular hour. And as you can see, the screen immediately turns to the yellowish tones. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time. And here we had also another option, so turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and it means that your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, and they are, I believe, location based, and then it will simply turn on or off the night light. But I will keep the option none. Let me turn it on. And basically this is the whole customization of the night light. And of course, right now I can show you much faster access. And basically all we have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And right here we have to just switch to the other page. And here we've got the night light. It is right now obviously turned on, so if you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. You can turn it on again to have this mode on. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.